Lesson 3, ROI, Building a Business Case. Learning objectives. 1. ROI for RPA. 2. Velocity. 3. Productivity. 4. Quality. 5. Compliance. What is ROI? ROI is usually expressed as a percentage and is typically used for personal financial decisions, to compare a company's profitability, or to compare the efficiency of different investments. ROI is calculated using key performance indicators and also by finding the profitability of an expenditure. The return on investment formula is ROI equal to net profit divided by cost of investment multiplied by 100. There are 4 ways to calculate ROI for RPA initiatives within an organization. 1. Velocity. 2. Productivity. 3. Quality. 4. Compliance. Velocity. Total time for a back office process from start to finish. Example, data processing, billing, accounting, etc. How much time does the overall back office process take? Studies have shown improvements of between 20 to up to 110% in process speed after RPA deployments. Companies experience improved service level agreements, or SLA, because robots' processing time is better than by humans across different systems. RPA can complete repetitive tasks in just hours as compared to days or weeks or even months otherwise. Velocity equal to measure start to finish time for back office processes with and without RPA, and then compare. How much time do human employees interact with technology to make a process happen? How much of that time have the robots shaved off that process? Most companies can expect an average of 70% reduction in manual work through a successful RPA deployment. Robots cut down time for repetitive tasks. Research has shown productivity savings up to 1,000%. That's right, 1,000%. Robots bring efficiency and effectiveness to scalability. Productivity equal to measure the length of time human employees spend on a task versus how quickly robots complete that same task. Are the RPA inputs accurate? If they are, companies should see 100% accurate outputs because robots do not deviate from the design process. If a company has installed the correct rules, correct governances, and correct decisions, the human error is eliminated completely. Some companies measure in terms of rework, others in the cost of dissatisfaction of customers, internal and external. So quality equal to measure output accuracy before and after RPA deployment. It should be 100% after. Are the robots making sure the rules, laws, or regulations that govern some processes always being followed? Robots can be programmed for compliance issues and will alert employees to compliance issues every time so decisions can be made safely. For example, in the insurance business and banking and finance industries, there might be 3 points of validation required and other compliance rules. With RPA, that compliance can be built in. The robots will not allow anything to pass a decision point unless specifically set compliance criteria are met, eliminating human error. Compliance equal to measure compliance before and after RPA deployment it should be 100% after. RPA deployment and robotic development can take anywhere from 6 to 12 weeks, followed by a 60 to 90-day nesting period where vendors tweak the robots, add efficiencies, and tighten the rules and governances. After that, companies can expect to see the full ROI realization. Key takeaways. RPA bots, once implemented, give 100% quality and compliance, which are ROI for any business. Velocity is in terms of hours, not days, for RPA. Productivity of RPA is exponentially higher than human counterparts because of its 24/7, 365 capabilities. Quality, compliance. This concludes Lesson 3, ROI, Building a Business Case.